Hi guys, my name is Zena. I'm the editorial director for Hum Nutrition, here to do our monthly unboxing. So if you're unfamiliar with Hum, welcome to our channel, first of all. But the way that it works is we have a quick quiz you can take online. It takes about 3 minutes. We'll link it below. Fill that out, you'll get personalized vitamin recommendations and also connected with a personal nutritionist that you can chat with online, ask all your questions. And then if you sign up for a vitamin subscription, they'll get delivered to your door every month in a beautiful box. So this month, our theme is Here Comes the Sun, which is also the name of one of our best-selling products, our vitamin D3. So we are celebrating all things sunshine. You'll get this magazine with your order that has a letter from our founder. It has more information about our brand partner for the month, which we will get to in a second. And then there's also this delightful infographic that tells you all about the benefits of vitamin D3. Some of them you probably know, some of them you may not. For example, I did not know that vitamin D3 can actually help improve your cognitive function. So there you go. Good for your brain. Along with their vitamins, Hum subscribers are also going to be receiving a very special gift from our partner this month, Supergoop. Supergoop is a really great sunscreen company. They have clean ingredients. We have an interview with their founder, Holly Faggard. It's on our blog, The Wellness. We will link it below. Be sure to check it out. She taught us so much about the importance of SPF. The product that Hum subscribers are going to be getting is Supergoop's Bright-Eyed Mineral Eye Cream. So this is SPF 40 for really heavy protection, but it applies light. It is a bit tinted too, so you get a little bit of coverage. And yeah, just keeps that under eye area that's really sensitive, nice and protected. I got my first fine lines under my eye, definitely from sun damage, so I wish I had this in my life sooner. But we are excited for all of you to try it this month. And seriously, if you're like in your early 20s and you think SPF doesn't apply to you, it does. Start now. I wish I had. All right, and with that, the last thing we want to offer you all is a giveaway. So this month we're giving away 4 Hum vitamins of your choosing. You'll get it in this month's box with our magazine, and you will also, of course, receive a sample from Supergoop. The boxes also include a discount code to Supergoop's website, so that's inside here, gold for you. But to enter, all we want to have you do is like this video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and comment below. Let us know one way you are enjoying the sunshine this month. And that's it, guys. We will see you back next month with another unboxing and giveaway. Hope to see you there. Bye.